What's going on, guys? My name is Gabe Cruz, and today we're addressing a bit of a problem. So if we go back to kind of my origin story over 10 years ago, and I was trying to get sponsored flow specifically for a local skate shop. And among my journey with my coaching, I was able to actually get a flow team spot. It's been great to this day, but life happens. I'm getting married, and to be quite honest, I'm completely cooked and I'm washed. And I've also gained unk status. So I hired a bit of a coach to help me out, and he's making a ruckus over there already. He's strange, but I had to fire the other guy because he was weird. So I'm gonna go say what's up to him. Hey.
Oh, hey.
You ready?
You're here for the lesson.
I am, yeah. You're Aaron?
Skate coach, what they call me.
Is that what I have to call you?
The skate coach would be preferred, but yeah.
Oh my God, we got another one. Okay. So just to kind of go over what I was talking about is 10 years ago I hired a skate coach, quite similar to yourself, and he was kind of weird.
That's one of my rules, no pivot. I tell all my clients that.
But
Was it off of Craigslist?
It was, yeah.
Me too.
I got flow for a skate company, and now I'm getting married, and I'm 10 years older, and I just feel a little washed. And
Married?
Yeah.
The only thing you're going to be married to is this.
Okay. You all right there? You just hit yourself in the face.
What?
I think I still got it a little bit, but I'm at this
Got
point,
what?
the flow, you know?
Not COVID-19.
No, like the feel, the vibe, like I could still skate a little bit, you know?
Okay, let's see what you got.
All right, but let me tell you what I think. I think right now I'm in jeopardy of losing everything because I finally achieved my goal. I went flow, and now I'm completely washed. So I need your help not getting early retired.
Yeah, I'm going to need to see your board because I don't play games with posers.
You can take a look here. This is what I'm working with. 8-inch deck. Got some Thunder lows. Got
8-inch
some.
deck. Maybe you should be riding this. 10-inch Anderson, boy, from the Matrix.
So you're saying 8 inches isn't good enough?
Depends on who you ask. But the other thing I notice here is you got these freestyle wheels. I expect some freestyle tricks out of you.
Okay. Is that going to help me stay flow?
Well, here's the deal. You need to get sponsored. You want to know how to get sponsored?
Yeah.
Laser flip.
Oh, I've never done that before.
Yeah, no kidding. You want laser flip right here?
Yeah. Have you done one of those?
What goes on Facebook Marketplace stays on Facebook Marketplace.
Where should I start here?
Start out with the trick everybody wants to know, kickflip.
All right, I'll go right there.
This is going to be your sponsor me video, okay?
Okay.
We're filming it right now.
All right.
Seriously? Give me a break. That was disgusting.
Gosh. I really thought I had better than that. Okay.
If you don't learn any tricks, is your mom still paying for this lesson?
Ouch. Okay. I mean, it was a land. It wasn't good.
You know what we call that?
What is that?
The skateboard industry likes to call that right there a violation!
I thought 10 years passed and Facebook Marketplace would give me something different, but...
You land that again, keep the toes up off the ground.
Okay. Oh my God. I gotta go this way.
Such a weak skateboarder that has so many excuses, full of excuses. I gotta go this way, I gotta go this way. You know what you gotta do?
Yeah.
Manifest.
Whoa.
I would have counted that if you weren't touching me the whole time. Wait, what does this say? Spot focus.
I thought you knew how to film.
I thought you knew how to skate.
Wow. 3 in a row.
Okay, I ain't gonna lie, that was delicious. Okay, next trick. You should have done this before. You should warm up with the basics because you can't. But do a heel flip.
Oh, all right. You got my back on this one?
Yeah, as the kids say, 100.
Here, I'll roll over to you right here. I'll come this way and then I'll meet you in the middle.
This is one of those, I better be going the right way. These kids these days, they're so weak. So many excuses.
Holy.
You know, I don't think we use the word poser enough anymore.
Can I ask you a question?
Can I ask you to commit? You said you're getting married.
Yeah, I mean, all my commitment went there. But seriously, I mean, you're kind of old.
Old and wise.
So is it normal to feel like I know what I'm doing and then my body just doesn't do what I need it to?
Every day I wake up.
Is it normal for my performance just to not be what it was when I was younger?
You need protein powder.
Okay.
Creatine does the body good.
Can you give me some words of encouragement?
The first thing we'll start with, from my personal coach, David Goggins, don't be a kids these days. Stay hard!
Dude, I am, wow.
You've been watching too many SpaceX launches. That was rocket to the moon.
It's pretty good.
I'm not gonna lie, that was the most delicious heel flip I've ever seen.
All right, can I get one from you?
Williams. You wanna see the Dogfather's heel flip?
Yeah, as a coach, I expect you to land this first try. Didn't look like a lot of commitment was there.
Like you said, I need to warm up. Creatine. You want me to try?
Yeah.
Back in my day, we never tried. Oh!
As a wise man once said, don't be a bitch.
David Goggins, where's he at? Stay hard!
Can I ask, like, what are your qualifications? Because on Facebook Marketplace, it just says that you're a skate coach, but what experience do you have?
Well, I went to the University of Hard Knocks down in San Mateo with Kelly Wakasa and Luke.
Who are they?
Fight me.
Can I have a moment?
Sure.
This guy's an absolute weirdo. I have no idea what's wrong with him. If you're watching this video, give me a call. Make sure I'm all good. All right, shall we continue? Oh,
I'm gonna need you to learn this trick for your freestyle routine.
can you not drag my nose on the ground, please? That's the only one I have left.
Here, freestyle routine.
It's from my experience as a professional rip sticker.
I ain't gonna lie, I didn't think you had that. That was really good. I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
Tell your mom to leave a tip on the Facebook Marketplace.
Can you not say that about my mother, please?
She's paying for the lesson or not?
All right, what's next?
I think we need to get into a little bit of rail stalls.
Like freestyle?
If you want to call it that. Sometimes I call it no style.
Yeah, I still got it.
Still got it. Give me that board. Give me those nano cubics. Okay, what we're gonna need from you, we're gonna need to go. Hold on. I was on the tail. I need to be on the nose.
You really look like you know what you're doing.
Okay, you know what? I was taught in 1983 by Rodney Mullen himself.
Is that the last time you got instruction?
Okay, listen here, kid. You're gonna flip it over. You're gonna land back in primo.
Yeah, I like the idea.
Never mind. We're gonna do a Miller flip. Like that. Only it spins and then you land on it.
Do you
see what
believe in
got.
instructors that don't know what they're teaching?
You know, sometimes the teacher needs to be the taughted. Well, you need to land. You need to land.
Okay, I got you.
This is for your sponsor me tape.
All right.
You don't skate for fun. You don't skate for athleticism. You skate to get sponsored.
Oh, back to primo? So you're saying I shouldn't skate for artistic expression or exercise or fun? I should do it purely for the achievement of what teams I'm sponsored by?
Well, that and likes.
Okay, follow me on Instagram. So
You know
do
that
think-
feeling when you have it first try and then you try it again and you don't have it?
Yeah.
That's you.
Okay, but do you believe in my skill level to continue being flow and potentially be sponsored?
You know, at first I was thinking no, and then I saw you do the daffy on the two boards,
Uh-huh.
and I was like, wow, kids going places.
Like Poserville?
You're trying to put yourself down because of the comments of others on the internet?
Always.
Skate for likes.
Oh, it's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. You leave your feet on there. I've never taught so many people so many tricks and so fast in my whole life. You land this right here, you're giving me 10 push-ups. Stay hard! No! That was pretty close. I'll do 5 push-ups. 5! You're halfway landed it. Right now.
How is that gonna help me do tricks?
Discipline.
I don't understand how this helps.
3, 4, 5, maggot! How you feeling now?
Exhausted.
You land this trick right now, then we're doing sponsor me video.
Oh, I can punch you.
What happened? You got a shiner?
Yes!
Not so crazy now, am I?
Come on. All right, maybe the push-ups helped.
Okay, now we're doing sponsor me video.
Okay.
We're gonna start out with an ollie. I'm calling the tricks. I don't wanna hear no dee out of you.
Okay. So if I'm Flo, before we get into the sponsor tape, should I aim to promote within the same company here, or should I?
What you should be doing is wearing a helmet so you can support the kids wearing helmets.
Do you have one?
I left it at home. Good, next trick, front side 180. I didn't say do it in a line, poser. What kind of music do you like?
Like Sabrina Carpenter?
Me too, I ain't gonna lie. Backside 180.
It's pretty good. Is that sponsor worthy?
100% sponsor worthy. Pop shove it. Steez for days. Front side shove it.
I don't know if I got this one.
I know, that's why I called it out. In skateboarding, you push your limits.
You know, 10 years ago I had a coach. Eclectic, a little weird, and he honestly sucked at skating.
No wonder you suck.
I would say that our session here has been pretty productive, so I appreciate that, but you're still weird, man.
I'm not here to be liked. I'm here to teach you how to shred.
You're meeting here in the city. Are you from San Francisco?
No.
So where are you from?
Siberia. Sir, excuse me. That was ice cold. Siberian ice cold. Okay, that was good. We almost got the basics down here. We need 2 more tricks.
Okay.
Heel flip and kick flip.
I already did those. I'm getting old. I want to conserve my energy and not
So
repeat
you want me to
tricks.
have the editor edit that into your sponsor me video. Blast Orangutan Rio and put the sponsor me video on now for the sponsors.
Should I do anything else?
Varial heel flip.
Oh my gosh, okay. If I land it first try, can I get half off this lesson?
Sure. No! That was close, but as I called you earlier, not close enough. You can cry. Skateboarding likes emotional giants. It's 2025.
You make it very hard to focus.
Be yourself. If you want to get sponsored, kids, land a laser. You thought tray flip was cool. Tray flip ain't. Beep. Laser's where it's at.
Have you noticed any progression in our session?
I've actually noticed so much progression. I was thinking about redoing my degree in skateboard education. Your foot is here. You need to put it here. You do know I'm an Olympic skateboard coach.
We'll have to check the credibility on that.
I have my doctorate from Online Skateboard Education Association degree.
Did you have ChatGPT write that for you?
Chat who?
You don't know what ChatGPT is?
Stay hard!
Gemini?
I'm a Virgo, but thanks.
Might actually be the best varial he'll ever land.
If you weren't such a baby, you put your back foot on, you would have landed that! One more of those, you're doing 5 more push-ups. Stay hard! Well, at least you're sweating. We're getting a workout in here.
I thought you said that skateboarding was all for the likes, not for the exercise.
Get sponsored.
All right, this one is for my future wife. I let my wife down. Can you give me some more advice?
Here's exactly what's happening. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, your front foot is here.
Yeah.
You're popping, you're flicking, your trajectory is too far. So you need to go 1/10 of an angle this way. You need to square it off here, because if you push here, you got it. If you push there, you're out. Just a little bit more this way. Then you push down that way.
One eternity later.
So you need a 27-degree angle it off to the side. Then you put that foot and you land that foot right there. Where are you going? I'm talking.
Are you done?
And then land. Did you catch all that?
Sure.
Watch him land it right here. This is science. Stay hard! Poser.
I'm getting really pissed off.
If you don't land it right here, we're gonna shave off everything but your mustache.
I gotta land this and get out of here. Oh my God.
Stay hard.
Damn it, dude. Oh my God.
You ever been so close and just miss it every try?
Yeah, literally right now.
Yeah, I see that. You know what's the best thing to do in scenarios just like this? Just realize you're never getting sponsored and give up.
Ouch. I don't know if I like hearing that, but it's kind of the best thing you've said all day.
It's 2025. Kiss your mother with that mouth?
I'm gonna treat it like I'm in Street League. We got a group of people coming on my right side. They're the spectators, right? They're watching me. And when I land it, they're gonna cheer for me and I'm gonna win Street League.
This is the best idea I've heard all day.
Boo!
I mean, yeah.
Are we running out of time for our lesson?
Time is a construct. It's a thing invented by your mind to hold you down. You are the author of your own story. I would say you have it, but you probably don't.
God damn it.
You thought skateboarding was easy? Stay hard. Are you staying hard?
I'm hard.
Not hard enough, you would have landed that.
Dude, I'm...
Popping and flicking around like a glorious mermaid swimming in the Pacific Ocean. And what do? You just throw it all away like you don't even care. You know what you need? You need bigger pants. Yeah! Woo!
I'll give one last one. Okay.
You land it right here, I'll give you the biggest pants ever made.
Deal.
These pants so big, you put them on, you're instantly a professional skateboarder. Everybody at the park will know that they are a poser, and you're the only one there ready to shred.
Were they laughing at me?
No.
We're gonna take that.
Does that mean I have to give you the pants?
We can do it at our next lesson.
Do you got Cash App? I don't do Venmo.
I only do Zelle.
What's a Zelle?
We're good for next Friday? You good?
Meet me outside.
Cool, man. I'll see you next week. That wasn't too bad.